Welcome to Bushall Night Vision. In this video, you will see the unboxing and day vision testing, starlight night vision and infrared night vision testing for Bushall NV007. If you choose the option with battery and microSD card, the package will include the main unit of the night vision camera, a fast clip-on night vision camera connector with 4 inner rings, a sealing tape, a battery charger and an ally key and 2 sealing rubber rings in one poly bag. The 18650 battery is packed in battery compartment of the night vision device and the microSD card is inserted in the TF card slot. Put 1 or 2 inner rings on the scope. Install the fast clip-on adapter on the scope using the Allen key. Bushall NV007 fits scopes with 34 to 45 mm eyepiece. For smaller eyepiece whose OD between 32 mm to 34 mm, use sealing tape to enlarge the OD before mounting the night vision camera. Turn on the night vision camera. Remove the insulation foil in the cap of the battery compartment. Short press the power button to turn on the night vision camera. Match the notch on the adapter with the torus on the night vision camera. Twist 45 degrees till you hear a click. Then it is locked. To take off the camera, you should press and hold the fixing button on the camera and twist the adapter. Day vision testing in 70 yards. A Bushall logo is hanged in the tree in around 70 yards. Turn on the night vision camera. If the letters and icons, for example, the battery and microSD card icon on the screen are blur, please rotate the diopter lens till they are sharp. If the view on the screen is blur, please rotate the internal focus ring till it is clear. Short press the picture and video button to take a picture and long press to record video. The video is much clearer than what is on the screen. The screen is 390 x 390 pixels. Looks a little grainy, however, the video it shot is with 1920 x 1080 pixels. Short press the plus button on the camera, you will get digital zoom, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Short press the minus button, 3 times, 2 times, and 1 time. There are 3 key points that decides the image quality of the day vision and night vision: the exposure, the contrast, and the LCD brightness. The default settings are as below. The exposure is set to be -1. Contrast almost the maximum. And screen brightness 50%. It is for day vision. For night vision, you may have to change the settings to get best image. Long press the IR button to activate the night mode. The crosshairs turn green when night mode is activated while the built-in IR flashlight is still off. Short press to go to IR level 1, level 2, and level 3. The footage Bushall NV007 recorded, which is derived the microSD card. The video is with sound recording unless you turn the microphone off by the menu.